Watch TV. Learn to ask, what do you watch in Hindi? You are brave. You can do this. Chalo, let's go learn Hindi.
नमस्कार। हरा धनिया बारीक कटा हुआ 1 टेबल स्पून। आप सबको बहुत
Hey everyone, welcome to day 24 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. I'm so glad you guys are not just sitting around at home watching TV, but you're putting this time to good use and you're learning Hindi. So our first vocabulary word for today is dekhna. Dekhna. Dekhna, which means to watch. Again, this is a verb. It has the na ending, so we'll normally drop that na ending, and we'll be left with our root, which is dekh, dekh, and our verb is dekhna, to watch. Our next vocabulary word for today is TV, 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 which means, yes, TV, or television, TV. Our grammar key for today is आप क्या देख सकते हैं? आप क्या देख सकते हैं? What can you watch? And speaking to a female, आप क्या देख सकती हैं? आप क्या देख सकती है? What can you watch? Now, normally when we've had आप क्या in the past, it has meant what do you do, or what do you eat, or whatever verb we've put there. But now, because we have this sak, which means can, aap kya dekh sakte, now we're asking what can you watch, right? When sak is in play here, all of a sudden this isn't what do you, but what can you? Aap kya dekh sakte hain? What can you watch? And the reverse of that, or when we flip that kya and aap around, we get our second grammar key, which is kya aap TV dekh sakte hain? Kya aap TV dekh sakte hain? Can you watch TV? Kya aap TV dekh sakti hai? Kya aap TV dekh sakti hai? If we're asking a woman. And again, of course, we've taken our verb, dekhna, we've dropped the na, we have our root, and we add sak in there, and then we add our ending, right? So te agrees with aap if we're talking to a man, and t for aap if we're talking to a woman. So kya aap TV dekh sakte hain? Can you watch TV? All right, we're going to spend a minute or two drilling this. आप क्या देख सकते हैं? आप क्या देख सकते हैं? आप क्या देख सकती है? आप क्या देख सकती है? What can you watch? मैं टीवी देख सकता हूँ. मैं टीवी देख सकता हूँ. मैं टीवी देख सकती हूँ. मैं टीवी देख सकती हूँ. I can watch TV. क्या आप टीवी देख सकते हैं? क्या आप टीवी देख सकते हैं? क्या आप टीवी देख सकती हैं? क्या आप टीवी देख सकती हैं? Can you watch TV? Okay, can you watch TV? To which you could respond, नहीं, मैं टीवी नहीं देख सकता हूँ. नहीं, मैं टीवी नहीं देख सकता हूँ. नहीं, मैं टीवी नहीं देख सकती हूँ. नहीं, मैं टीवी नहीं देख सकती हूँ. No, I cannot watch TV. आप क्या बना सकते हैं? आप क्या बना सकते हैं? आप क्या बना सकती हैं? आप क्या बना सकती है? What can you make? मैं आलू बना सकता हूँ. मैं आलू बना सकता हूँ. मैं आलू बना सकती हूँ. मैं आलू बना सकती हूँ. I can make potatoes. Hey everyone, thanks for joining us again for the 30-day Hindi challenge. As we get closer to the end of this challenge, I'm going to continue to remind you to check out our other resources on HindiUnlocked.com and to continue your Hindi learning even after this 30-day challenge ends. I hope you'll check out our Hindi grammar course. We have a beginner Hindi grammar course there. And we also have a Devanagari script course, which teaches you how to read the Hindi script. And as well, I would encourage you to check out our community. We have a special online community on Mighty Networks, and you can find out more about that in the emails that you're receiving during this 30-day challenge. All right, thanks for joining us. See you back here tomorrow.